It's getting it, guys. It might take me, love, in the time of cholera. And I had to put some rust prevention on here. So that's probably why it's making that noise. But it's still cutting. It's still working. And you see it's cutting. Let me show you. The line is pretty straight. Let me show you. There we go. So I'm just going to keep at it. And I'll come back to you when, hopefully when I have this piece. Because once I have this done, I'm just going to take the line down a little bit. I'm using this. I used to keep my social media stuff here. Help my daughter help me put this together. So I'm going to cut down here. And so I want to keep this piece of wood because it's sentimental, because my daughter and I worked on this about 3 years ago in Serbia. So I'm trying to cut it so I can cut this piece of wood out. You know what I mean? So yeah, and keep it in this shape. But then have this empty and then cut those pieces out. You know what I mean? So I'm going to come back to you guys when I have it all cut. But I just put hammer and nail right here. You know, put the hammer and put the nail in, hammered it down this way, hammered it back this way, hammered it down this way, hammered it back this way. Flipped it over, did the same thing. Made the hole on the other side. Then came in with the tip of the saw. You see right there, because it's the smallest part. With the tip of the saw, went back and forth, back and forth. Then took the nail, went the hole I made, and instead of going straight up and down, I did it at an angle like this. And you see that, you can see it right here. And then just kept hammering, hammering. Take it out. Then this fits all the way through and go through on the other side. And then I just follow this piece here and saw down. That's it. It's only going to take me about 5 hours. But love y'all. Working up an appetite so then I can eat more food. Peace. Love y'all bitches. Stay cunty, hunty. Okay, guys. We did it, y'all. We cut the hole out of it. I'm about to take a break. That's Lord Jesus. Jesus! Pass the glow. There's a piece. What I decided to do is my daughter gave me some art pieces for my birthday. So instead of putting this heavy piece on there, I'm going to just replace. I have a whole thing I'm doing, and I'll put her artwork there instead, because we're cutting down the weights. The tiny home is on the Jenny Craig diet. If it's too heavy and it's unnecessary, it must go. Jiggly belly. On the tiny home, it must go. Okay, y'all. I got a natural high from the adrenaline and the stress. So I'm about to, or cortisol, whatever it's called, bitch. I keep seeing those infomercials talking about cortisol. I rebuke it. Anyway, so I'm going to take a break. Have my eggs and ivored and protein crackers, probably. And yeah, because I just did a whole bunch of workout cutting this stuff out. So I'm going to get myself some protein, and then I'm going to go see if that, because I ordered some stuff from the hardware store and it was supposed to be there yesterday, but it wasn't. And I asked them, should I come back today? They said, yeah. So I'll probably go back there today. I think before I go, though, I'll do another coat of paint, the last coat of paint on the rims. And I have to put the final coat. I think I want to put one more coat on this. These are part of the awning. Let me turn them while I'm out here. Yeah, I got to put a little touch up right there. There. And just, this is on purpose. This is on purpose because I'm putting some adhesive here, and I want it to adhere to the metal and not the paint, just the paint. So yeah. So one end is free and clear of paint. So yeah. And I need to touch up these two because I was holding it on this side. So let me just turn it back because Yeah, and I need to touch that up. This, yeah, otherwise it's pretty good. Okay, I'm trying to find glaze, like a top coat, but I couldn't find it. I think I ordered something that I think is a top coat, but it might not be. It's for like radiators and stuff. Yeah, I think I bit my lip when I was sawing. I was doing like this. Then I did it too long and I didn't even realize it, and now I feel like I'm a cuckoo-dookle. I'm just gonna go get a cuckoo-dookle meal. I love y'all bitches. Stay cunty hunty. Okay guys, so we're almost all the way through on the other side. This is the last cut I need to make. Let me just grab it, hold it here. So this is what we're doing. I'm gonna get down low, low, okay? I cut this part, this one, and that one. So now I just gotta connect these two. You probably can't see it, but there's a nail and hammer over there that I use. I just keep going back because this is the sunny spot, over there is the shady spot. So I just keep rotating, circulating.